Thank you.
Here then, here.
Dito naman po. Nakahumugot ng angas. Sobrang angas.
Totoo po ba? Actually, I just wanted to show a different side of me being a landlord. Lagi na lang puro yung bibigay ko na after. And I just wanted to be different.
Quiet!
Yung pinag-usapan po namin ni Direk, you know, he's very, very good at giving me examples, what show to watch, and very collaborative po yung pagko-work namin. So yeah, thank you po sa pag-ano namin.
May pinagan ka ba? Meron kang peg na actor?
Wala naman, but he made me watch Chuck Bass from Gossip Girl. He made me watch that.
Ito, pinanood nyo ba yung Thai version nito?
Yeah, of course. Pinanood po namin, assignment po namin yan. Kailangan namin tapusin yung buong series. So, we get to have the feeling of kung ano yung magiging peg.
So, paano yun? Kahit pa paano, may conscious effort na, ay, ganito yung acting nun, ganito nila.
Nung una po, actually, when I talked to Direk, paano ko ba kopyahin yung paano si Pat? Kasi, iba coming from Wattpad, they wanted to be like super similar yung character. Pero sabi ni Direk, it's an adaptation. You can't copy-paste. Dapat merong sariling version ni Pat. So, ibahin mo yung atake. So, may mga collaborative kami na kung paano si Pat. May pagka-difference din ng original Thai series. Kasi syempre, napanood na po ng tao yun eh. So, we wanted to have a different Pinoy culture for Pat.
Ikaw, Haya, ganun din. Pinanood mo din yung Thai version and...
Of course, I watched the movie and the series. When it comes to thinking about like...
Lakas na mo nga, ang lakas.
Sorry.
Soft-spoken kasi.
I'm trying to think of my answer by saying, we don't, as Gab said, we don't want to copy paste. It's an adaptation. We want to put our own twist to it, and especially showing our culture.
Love team din kayo din. We're in a relationship in this show, pero sobrang iba kasi sa One
Yun
Man
nga.
series namin. Kasi yung maganda dito, it's not about being lovey-dovey or rom-com. It's about like how are we gonna do the heist. May iba't iba kasi na role yung character namin kung anong role. Grace, ako, naghahanap ako ng mga clients dito, yung sino, yung kanina bibigay ko kay Lynn, kung ano ako yung mga naghahanap sa pera, gano'n. And she has her own role.
Pero may tender moments din kayo.
Oo naman. Meron din mga masakit na moments na mangyayari.
So, pero kayo pa rin yung love team talaga dito? Kayo talaga?
Oh, yes.
So, in a way, how do you feel na continuous naman din yung team up ninyo? From Wattpad, ano?
Sobrang grateful the bosses trusted us from after Chasing in the Wild and then with this big project na makasama si Jai and Natasha. So we're just really grateful and hopefully tuloy-tuloy po. And we're doing our best to give the best version of us being an actor.
And it's nice because we get to see how we all grow more together as actors and actresses.
So, parami yung project nyo. Palapit naman kayo na palapit sa isa't isa. Kumusta na yung friendship?
Definitely, it's a lot different from Sita. Kasi we know a lot more about how we work and how we work better. We know what works and what doesn't. So we do feel that we
Yeah, and then syempre meron din kaming mga mall shows. We just got back from Davao yesterday, so I think this is gonna be last year lang po yung Sita, mga June. So 1 year na kami naging so really close.
Ano yung 1 year na?
1 year po kami nag-official love team na sa Sita.
Official.
Oh, pero yung official na kayo na talaga, may 1 year na rin ba? Wala pa?
Oh, we're good friends right now. Syempre, we wanted to focus with work, especially bago pa lang si Haya. We don't wanna,
I just want to focus on this.
We talked about it po kasi in the beginning eh. Of course, she has her dreams, I have my dreams. And alam naman po natin, kunwari hindi mag-workout in real-life relationship, ma-apektuhan yung work. We want it to be really professional, especially she's only 21 and super young. I'm already turning 30, so we just wanted to give our best sa work muna, no distractions.
Pero ang dami kinikilig din sa eksena niya, trailer pa lang yan, di ba? Yung mga fans, gusto nila mag-level up, hindi ba kayo napapressure? Na parang gusto nila maging makatotohanan naman yun.
Pressure on becoming like.
Naging totoo, yung relationship, parang
Well, I mean, I know a lot of the fans do understand that, our personal lives, we're legends. They respect us, whatever we feel and what we choose to do.
Ikaw.
Yeah, our fans are very, very, really close with them. We get to see them all the time, and they always support us. And whatever we do in life, they want us just to be our own selves. So, that's what I love about High Gab Official and the Titas of High Gab.
Alam niyo, bakit magiging hindrance kung maging official man kayo?
Ano po yun?
Love team naman kayo, kumbaga wala naman kayong kasagasaang ibang partner or something. Kung talagang gagawin yung official, yung totohanan.
No, of course, we wanted... Okay, go.
I mean, we're still learning a lot about each other, and we don't want to risk anything with it, of course. Like, we just want to focus on how can we work as a team. Because, this is only our, second, third project together. We just want to focus on working better as a team.
But are you somehow attracted with each other?
Of course. Kasi syempre, we work together and we get to always be together. And we're attracted to each other.
Siguro kasi you're surrounded with beautiful people. Walang parang exclusivity kung may ligaw sa kanya. Is that okay? Parang open.
We talked about before we start, we don't want to control each other, our personal lives. We want it to be our work life to be different than personal life.
Basta, I just want him to be happy.
Salamat. Thank you.
Thank you. Hey guys.
Hello, can you invite the fans? Pero in character kayo.
Wow. Okay. Hello guys, we're inviting you to watch Bad Genius only on Vivo One.
Yes, please, only on Vivo One.
Hello,
Oh, hi.
it's me again. It's us again.
Hi, nice seeing you guys.
So quick question.
How are you guys?
Fast lang. Question is...
Hindi naka-play.
Wala pa. Sabihin ko na may question. Question is, what's your favorite subject in school and saan kayo quote-unquote genius sa subject?
Art.
Let's go.
Art.
Well, for me, I
Let's go. So we have here High Gab. Tatanungin natin kung ano yung favorite subject nila sa school at saan sila genius sa subject. Let's go.
For me, I went to an art school, so of course,